everybody. Today we're going to do a family friendly recipe, or a family favorite recipe. It's called pumpkin pudding cake. You use this pudding and it may be hard for you to find, so I had to order mine off Amazon, but some people call it a pumpkin chiffon cake. This is a specific recipe, so I'm gonna link it down below, that way you get the right one. You can use cheap ingredients, it's fine, it's still really good. It's basically a pumpkin pudding pound cake kind of situation. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to use this real cheap spice cake mix. You can use Duncan Hines or any of those. First thing you need to do is empty the cake mix into a bowl. Okay. And you need 2 eggs. You need 1/3 cup of oil. And in a separate bowl, you're going to mix your pudding mix and your milk together, and then you're going to add it to your cake batter. Okay, so after you have mixed together your pudding mix with your milk, you need to add it back to the cake mix batter like I said before, and then you need to mix it with a hand mixer. You need to pause and scrape down the sides with a rubber spatula. Okay, so I've already got a pan ready to go. Hold on, let me get a small bowl to put that in. I've already got a pan ready to go. So, hang on just 1 second. I just sprayed it with some spray. And I'm going to use a bundt pan. You don't have to. And you could probably also do these in cupcakes. But this is a way for you to make like a pumpkin cake, which I don't think I've ever, at least here in Alabama, I've never seen a pumpkin cake mix. This cake mix also says that you can ice it with caramel icing. That used to be, this is an old recipe, unless you can make it, you know, homemade. There used to be a caramel icing, but here I have not been able to find it in forever. When this recipe first came out, there was a caramel cake and a caramel icing on the market, but I guess they did away with it. I don't know, but I can't find it. Okay. This needs to go into the oven, which I've already preheated for 350 degrees. And you take it out when the toothpick comes out clean. And then we will ice it then, and we'll talk more about it. Okay, everybody. This cake is done. I put cream cheese icing on it because it tastes the best, in my opinion. But you could put anything you want to on it. I've never tried it with chocolate. Chocolate may be good. And just a cheap cream cheese icing's fine, or you can get name brand, whichever, you know, whatever you want. Caramel would probably be phenomenal, like the recipe called for, but like I said, we can't find it here. I don't know if you can find it anywhere else. But when you bake it, it usually takes about the same time that it typically would anyway. But it's supposed to taste a lot better. And it's a pumpkin cake, which is, like I said, really hard to find a cake mix for. At least in my area. So I'm going to slice this up and get a picture for the thumbnail. But this is perfect for Thanksgiving. And it's really simple, really easy. You can even just put everything in one big bowl if you want to. There's milk that's in the recipe, and you could probably decrease that milk by about 1/4 cup because it may be too wet if you go follow the recipe. But it's whatever your preference is. Alright, thank you for watching. See y'all next time.